Are you looking for the best dry erase markers? In this video, we will look at some of the top dry erase markers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 1, we have the EXPO 1884309. This is a set of 8 different markers, each one of which provides a separate vibrant color, as well as skip-free marking experience, which is also quite consistent. The ink formula that's used for these markers doesn't emit a lot of odor and erases cleanly, making it perfect for offices, home offices, and classrooms. The ultra-fine tip is one of the important components that these markers come with. It's important when it comes to precise writing and coloring. Additionally, if you want to achieve optimal results, you should use the markers on non-porous surfaces. These include glass, porcelain, and melamine whiteboards, for instance. The colors that the set offers are black, red, blue, green, orange, brown, pink, and purple. At number 2, we have the BIC Intensity Advanced Dry Erase Markers. This is a set of 12 different markers. Much like the previous product, these markers will also emit next to no odor, which is quite good for your health because you won't have to inhale chemicals. The markers are also quite bold in terms of writing, which is always a good thing. They provide a smooth and consistent flow of the ink and are easily erased, making it perfect for offices, classrooms, meeting rooms, and home offices, for example. The fine bullet tip is designed to provide precision and detail to your work on dry erase boards, glass, and the majority of non-porous surfaces. The ink supply is long-lasting and the ink levels are visible, so you will always know if you're running out. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Dry Erase Whiteboard Markers. If you're looking for an affordable solution that will provide you with 12 different color markers, this might be a good option. The set includes black, blue, light blue, red, pink, green, light green, yellow, orange, and brown, most of the main colors that you would need for any task. The low odor dry guard is also very easy to erase. This makes it perfect for classrooms where writing is usually much more intense, and erasing it easily is an important consideration. Another thing that's worth mentioning is that these are quite resilient. They shouldn't dry up even if you leave them uncapped for as much as 2 days. Some people, however, have expressed their concerns on this. The versatile chisel tip, on the other hand, is perfect for writing both thick and thin lines. At number 4, we have the EXPO Low Odor 12-piece set. As the name suggests, you will find 12 markers coming in this set, each in different colors. These include black, red, blue, green, brown, orange, plum, turquoise, light brown, purple, pink, and lime, a bit different compared to the previous set we talked about. The versatile chisel tip once again allows for fine or broad writing depending on the task at hand. The ink formula is low in terms of odor, which is beneficial because you won't have to inhale unpleasant chemicals. It's also very easy to clean and erase from non-porous surfaces such as glass or whiteboards. This makes it a great solution for both classrooms and offices. On top of all that, the marker should also deliver consistent and skip-free marking, as well as a wide array of coloring options. At number 5, we have the Quartet Glassboard Dry Erase Markers. These are considered a premium class of glass dry erase markers that are optimized for use on contemporary surface boards. They deliver strong and bold color every time. This should help you deliver your message in a legible and distinct manner. Going forward, the bullet tip will help you create thick and broad lines that will make your writing much easier to see and read by other people. They are also very easy to erase, allowing you to move from one project to the next with ease. The colors will stay vivid, but there are only 4 of them: black, blue, red, and green. However, this should be more than enough for most business needs. The transparent ink gauge will allow you to see exactly how much ink you have left, so you never have to be in a situation where you don't have a working marker. So that sums up the top dry erase markers. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.